Okay, I'm back with my coil. That was the purple coil. It's 1 inch in thickness. What I'd like to do before I show you what we're doing with this next one is I will cut this off to length to 6 inches. I am going to then use my blue wood dowel. It's 1/4 of an inch in thickness. I'm going to skewer this piece of clay with this dowel to make a hollow coil. The hollow coil is used for construction purposes. It's kind of one of my favorite coils to make because I love to skewer things. When I'm skewering something, I'm twisting and pushing this through. Now, this will take some practice. You guys may have to do this a couple of times before you are successful with it. So I stick it in one end and I'm twisting as I go. And it allows you to send that through a little bit easier. The other thing is I can feel the skewer in the clay while I'm doing this, and so I know whether it's staying in the middle or not. And as I come to the end and I continue to skewer, it comes out. Now, I roll it on the table, but I'm not rolling it back and forth. I'm not holding this as handles. I'm twisting this as I roll it. And I can actually feel where the thicker areas are in the coil. Now, what you want is you want the thickness of this coil to be about 1/4 of an inch, the same thickness as your blue dowel. And I'm constantly twisting this. I'm looking and feeling for those thicker areas. And this is what I mean. I want the blue dowel to be the same thickness as this. I can also double check that by taking a fettling knife. And this is what I guess most students would say is very satisfying to me. I cut this in half. After I cut it in half, I can pull it apart and I can almost lay this blue dowel right on top and the thickness matches. And then these pieces can be used for construction.